Somu, we have to respect elders and help them. Listen everyone. If you take care of your visible parents, the invisible parents will take care of you. So what is today's thought?
If you take care of your visible parents, the invisible parents will take care of you.
Thank you. Ratik, what is today's news?
Oh, it is time to watch news. Let's watch.
Hello, in a surprise move to arrest the plot of rupees, the Real Estate Bank of India on Monday announced a strong measure to reduce liquidity in the bank system to prevent in the current market 150 sitting women's medical college for Andhra Pradesh. The meeting Council of India on Monday, a women's medical college for a city for the 2013 to 14 announced that year monsoon seasons to be released on August 5th. The monsoon season of Parliament will be from August 5th to 30th, during which the allowance of food security bills will come up for deficiency and other important equipments such as the land bills are expected to be taken by the constituency. Thank you.
Today's sports news. Sweta Menon punched about great as she swept singing as well as double titles in the Hyderabad District Badminton Championship held in the Hyderabad at the Kotla Vijaya Bhaskar Reddy Indoor Stadium. England players are cocked after pulling off a thrilling 14-run win over Australia. England's captain Alston Brooks signals for a television review for the winning wicket of Australia's Brad Hillen on the last day of the first Ashes Test. James Anderson took 5 wickets to inspire England to a never-giant 14 runs victory over Australia on a dramatic final day on the first Ashes Test at Trent Bridge. Thank you.
Temperature 2.5 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22.C Celsius, rainfall 2.5 mm thick, 8:30.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Akal Kumaranan. I am from NC. తల్లిదండ్రుల మీద దయలేని పుట్టుడు పుట్టనేమి వాడిగిట్టనేమి పుట్టలోని చెదులు పుట్టదా గిట్టదా విశ్వదాభిరామ వింద్రవేమి భావం తల్లిదండ్రుల మీద దయలేని కుమారుడు అతను చేల పురులతో సమానమవుతాడు.
Come up with this parody song.
Yo students, this is for you. Soup song, flop song. Why is example day? The night, the night.
Clap.
Why is example day? The night, the night. Distance school color blue. Blue background white, brown, white color black. One is example day. One is example day.
You have to do the work in a sequence. Action is a plan and a method to be used for achieving a specific goal. Take your vitamin B for believing in yourself. Creativity is a state of mind. It's time to energize the pattern for belief, and it's simply a thought you keep thinking to change your pattern. Everything is new and exciting. Take your vitamin C. Confidence is to have trust in yourself. Everyone is good at something. Everyone is born with talents and strengths. Discover the things and focus on them. You can develop and excel in it. Take your vitamin D for discipline. Discipline is nothing but self-control. It is a systematic method to obtain obedience and a perfect moral character. Take your vitamin E for enthusiasm, eager, keen, interest, and when you do a thing, do it with all your might. Put your whole soul into it. Be active, energetic, be enthusiastic, and faithful. You will be a successful person. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. Thank you.
Samri, do you agree laughter is the best medicine to our body and mind?
The ability to laugh, play and have fun with others not only make us life more enjoyable, but also helps us to solve problems, connect with others, and be more active.
We have a small joke enacted by our friends. Come here. Sir, send him.
Silence, silence. Don't shout. If I ask any question now, you should say the answer at once. How much is 6 plus 4? At once. You should not say at once. You should say the answer then at once. Anybody can say name the 3 types of ducts in our body? You get up. Sir. Arteries, veins, caterpillar. That is not caterpillars. It is capillaries. Anybody knows the meaning of algebra? Same.
అన్ని జీబ్రాలు కలిస్తే ఆ జీబ్రా అవుతుంది సార్.
That is not the answer. The sums of mathematics is called algebra. మీరు ఎవరికైనా తేడాకి బ్రహ్మకి మధ్య తేడా తెలుసా? అని
సార్ మీరు పాఠం చెప్తున్నామన్నది నిజం సార్, మేము వింటున్నామన్నది మీ భ్రమ సార్.
మీరు ఎవరికైనా మన పోయం వచ్చా?
I went to Golconda with my friend Appalakanda on a hero Honda to see Anaconda. I went with my and I saw a Gonda eating my Gonda. I went with my Anda. I fall in the pen. I ran to Golconda.
నాకు ఈ క్లాస్ చేసినందుకు నేను చాలా అదృష్టవంతుడిని.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
about our culture and civilization, what is that which makes our culture different from the rest of the world? Can anyone? We are speaking about culture of India, which makes our culture different from that of India. Yes.
Unity in diversity.
Unity, diversity, any other answer? No one else? Now when we come to Indian culture, the important thing in Indian culture is the 3 generations live under one roof. You know, in one house we find grandfather, father and grandson also. And this culture we don't find in any rest of the countries. Is it clear? Do you find in any other country? Yes or no? Please answer. You don't find in any other country, we find only in India. And the second one is respect for our elders. No other country we find respect towards elders. Once the children are grown up, they leave their parents and live their own life. Old age homes. Today, you find old age homes increasing at a large extent in India. And this is not the culture of India. It is westernization totally.
నిరాదరణకు గురయ్యే వృద్ధులను ఆదుకునేందుకు కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం 2007లో ఓ చట్టం అమల్లోకి తెచ్చింది. దాని అమలుకు రెవెన్యూ డివిజన్లలో ట్రిబ్యునల్ ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. కానీ వాటి పనితీరు అంతంత మాత్రమే. వృద్ధుల గోడు వినేవారే లేరు. సుదూర గ్రామాల నుంచి వచ్చి ట్రిబ్యునల్ను ఆశ్రయించే ఓపిక లేని ముదుసరులు వృద్ధాశ్రమాలను చేరుతున్నారు. చివరి రోజులను భారంగా గడుపుతున్నారు.
చేయడానికి యాక్సిడెంట్ అయ్యి ఏం పని చేసేలేదు. అందువల్ల వాడికి ఎప్పుడో డబ్బులు వల్ల ఎప్పుడో నన్ను గలాట చేసి కొట్టి అందువల్ల చూసేవాళ్ళు వాడు కట్టమంటే వేసుకుంటే మన తింటే మధ్యాహ్నం నేను అటు నుంచి కూర్చుంది.
చిత్తూరు జిల్లాలో ఈ చట్టం అమలు తీరు అధ్వానంగా ఉంది. ఇక్కడి 3 డివిజన్లలోని ట్రిబ్యునల్స్ ను ఆశ్రయించిన వారు ఇప్పటి వరకు కేవలం 437 మంది. 400కు పైగా కేసులు రాజీ చేసినట్టు రికార్డుల్లో పేర్కొన్నారు. కానీ మొక్కుబడి రాజుల వల్ల ఫలితం ఏమీ ఉండడం లేదని సాధారణ పరిశీలన. కదలలేని స్థితిలో రోడ్డున పడ్డ పెద్దలు జీవోత్సవాలుగా కాలు గడుపుతున్నారు. పెద్దలను వేధిస్తే కేసులు నమోదు చేసే అధికారం ట్రిబ్యునల్కు ఉన్న అవి నామమాత్రంగానే పనిచేస్తున్నాయి. కార్యాలయాల గడప దాటిని వృద్ధుల సంరక్షణ చట్టం వీధుల పాలవుతున్న పెద్దలకు ఆసరాగా నిలవడంతో విఫలమవుతోంది.
Do you understand the position of parents after they bring up their children and children abandon the parents? They are not interested in taking care of the parents at their old age. Old age homes are also not providing sufficient facilities for these old people. Now you have to inculcate some manners so that you have to take care of your parents. Today they take care of you, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now isn't it your responsibility to take care of them when they grow older? Yes. Don't abandon them. At least the next generation we have to see the old age homes reduced. At least we don't have old age homes in India, right? Yes? So another clipping for you as a conclusion.
Good morning, teachers and children. A big hand for 8C. They have come up with a good, neat program and with a wonderful message. In the song also there was a message. What was the message? Yes? What did he say? Where is the singer? Come on. How did you start your song?
I think it tends to be the Ulysses, so I came.
No problem. Just sing few lines. Start, no problem. Only the starting. Only first 2-3 lines.
Distance school color white.
Not regarding that, exams.
Why this exam at the end.
That's it. So what he said, why you should have exam worry? Who will worry about the exam? Those who don't study. Those who don't pay attention when teachers explain. Nothing is understood by them. Then suddenly when they sit for exam, what happens to the mind? It goes blank. That's what he said. Right? So prepare well for your exams. Next week you have first unit test. And yesterday I have circulated the sheets. So I hope you understood the message. Thank you, Chair.